Good morning, student. Last day we read the Little Round One Part 1, and today we are going to read the Little Round One Part 2. Hope last day the prose section will give you more interest and you feel very happy to read out the story, and I also hope you complete your homework during lockdown period by staying at home. So today we are going to read the lesson 3, the Little Round One Part 2. The Little Round One Part 2. In this lesson, we see what happened. You know, in your last day, the Little Round One Part 1, you know the story, and please recall what happened during the last story. And now we are going to read the Little Round One Part 2. Before going to start the lesson, please open your book, page number 7, and look at the picture. Please open your book, page number 7, and look at the picture. Look at the picture. In first picture, who will the bond meet next? Who will the bond meet next? Who will the bond meet next? The bond meet next to the wolf. To the wolf. Wolf. Do you know the meaning of the wolf? We discussed in our last day class. So wolf means Gadhiya, and in second picture, one is born, and another one is the. What is this? This is a picture of a bear. This is a picture of a bear. So, dear student, now we read the text aloud and you look at your book. By and by, the little round one meet a wolf. The wolf said, "Stop, little round one, I am going to eat you up." "Do not do that, wolf. Let me sing you a song," said the bond, and it began to sing. Taken grandma, I run away from rabbit, I will run away from wolf. This minute I will, and up it rolled away. Next, the little round one met a bear and sang the song, and up it rolled away. Once again, look at your book. By and by, little round one meet a wolf. The wolf said, "Stop, little round one, I am going to eat you up." "Do not do that, wolf. Let me sing you a song," said the bond, and it began to sing. Taken grandma, I run away from rabbit. Taken grandma, I run away from rabbit, and I will run away from wolf. This minute I will, and up it rolled away. Next, the little round one met a bear and sang the same song, and up it rolled away. So, dear student, now we discuss sentence wise and paragraph wise the meaning of the text. First paragraph. By and by, the little round one meet a wolf. We know in our last class, we know that the bond is rolled away, and on the rolled away, he meets so many persons while he was rolling, and at that time he meet a wolf. During her rolled away, he meet a wolf. The wolf said, then what happened? The wolf said to the bond, "Stop, little round bond." The wolf said to the bond, "Stop, you stop there." "A little round bun, I am going to eat you up." The wolf said, "Stop there, little round bun, I am going to eat you up." ତା ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା ଯେ ସେ ବନ୍ଟା ବା ସେ ପାଉଁରୁଟି କେକ୍ଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗଡ଼ି 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 ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେହି ସମୟରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲା, ଗୋଟିଏ ଉଲ୍ଫକୁ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଭେଟିଲା ଏବଂ ସେଇ ଉଲ୍ଫ ତାକୁ କହିଲା ଯେ ଲିଟିଲ୍ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ବନ୍, ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ଦେୟାର, ତୁ ସେଇଠି ରହିଯା, ଅଟକି ଯା। କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ତୁ ସେଇଠି ଅଟକି ଯା? I am going to eat you up, I am going to eat you up, ମୁଁ ତତେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି, ମୁଁ ତତେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଖାଇବି। Do not do that, wolf, let me sing you a song. Then the bun said, "Do not do that, wolf, do not do that, wolf, ତମେ ତାହା କର ନାହିଁ। Do not do that, wolf said, "Let me sing a song." That bun, it began to sing. Then after what happened? The bun said, "Do not eat me." ସେ ବନ୍ କହିଲା ଯେ ମୋତେ ତମେ ଖାଅ ନାହିଁ, ମୁଁ ତମ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ସୁନ୍ଦର ପଏମ୍ ବା ଗୋଟିଏ ସୁନ୍ଦର କବିତାଟେ, ମୁଁ ତମ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଗୀତଟେ ଗାଇବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି। "Take grandma, I run away from the rabbit, and I will run away from the wolf. This minute I will." ତାପରେ ସେ ପୁଣି କହିଲା ଯେ I will run away from rabbit, ମୁଁ ଠେକୁଆ ପାଖରୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସିଥିଲି ଏବଂ and I will run away from wolf, ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଗଧିଆ ପାଖରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ମାନେ ପଳେଇ ଯିବି। This minute I will, ଏହି କ୍ଷଣି ମୁଁ ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ପଳେଇ ଯିବି। And run up it rolled away, ତାପରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲା, and it run up it rolled away, ତାପରେ ସେଇଠୁ ପୁଣି ସେ ଗଡ଼ି 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 ଆଗକୁ ଚାଲିଗଲା। Next the little round bun meet a bear. Then after what happened? ସେ ଉଲ୍ଫ ପାଖରୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୌଡ଼ି 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 ଗଡ଼ି ଗଡ଼ି ଯାଉଥିଲା, ତାପରେ ସେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ରାସ୍ତାରେ he meet a bear, ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଭାଲୁକୁ ଭେଟିଲା। He meet a bear and sang this song, and up it rolled away. Then after what happened? Then after he sang a song for wolf also, for bear also. See, here the bun also sang a song for bear also, and then after he also crossed the bear also. By reading the poem, he also crossed the bear also. This is your next chapter. In this chapter, we know some new words. The new words are, what are the new words? New words. The new words are wolf. You know the meaning of wolf. You finish? Or here. Little round one going to eat up me. Song. Begin. Arambha. Hola. Repeat. Repeat means wow. Beer. Beer means alu. Round means goal. Round means goal. So next we discuss the there is some comprehension, some tasks for you, home tasks. Comprehension questions. Look at your book, page number 8. There are 7 comprehension type questions, and you know very well. I asked you some question, the comprehension question. Who know, please raise your hand. Whom did the bond meet in this part of the story? The bond meet in the past of the story. Whom he meet? The bond meet the wolf. The bond meet the wolf. Number 2. Why did the wolf want to eat up? Did the wolf want to eat him up? Answer is yes. The wolf want to eat up him. Number 3. Did the bond sing a song to the wolf? Yes. The bond sing a song for the wolf. Is this song similar to or different from the song he sang before the rabbit? What happened? Number 5. Was he able to run away from the wolf? Was he able to run away from wolf? Yes, he able to run away from wolf. Did he also sing the same song to the bear? Yes, he sing the same song to the bear. Was he able to run away from the bear? Yes, he able to run away from the bear. In session 3, post reading stage, last classes we also discussed about the EM. You know very well the EM PD. EM PD, visual, memory, development, technique. In this chapter also we follow the same, the visual memory development technique. The little round bond meet a wolf and meet a bear. Then listening, your teacher will read aloud the first 4 lines of the song, and you listen to him and mindfully and fill in the gaps. Taken out of floor, dash. Taken out of floor, box. Made dash into a dog. And baked in dash, baked in oven. And dash cooled on the sill. So in speaking session also there is a chain drill process which we discussed in Little Round Bond part 1. The same procedure we can follow in this also, and lastly the mental talk also is here. So dear student, in this way we complete the lesson, the Little Round Bond part 2. Next, do the homework in your note copy, and come tomorrow we shall read the another part of this lesson. Thank you so much.